So here we have this one here. It's a Hisense dual fridge with the 1T in it. I think I love it. What's the serial number is? Oh, that's ice maker. That's ice maker. That's so when using the refrigerator for the first time or after extended period of time. So yeah, I'll say don't overflow, don't plug, or it says like that. It says don't hand off. Like that. So that's all your instructions. Okay, so that's lift up your ice bucket and then pour your ice bucket out slowly as shown in figure 1. So that's your instructions. Yep, you got your nice multi airflow. But just gonna take these out first. Nice. I think I love this. Just gonna take these out first. I need a light. There you go. Got a light. Just gonna take that off. So that's that. I need to just take that off as well too. Looks alright, nice and neat. I love it. Multi airflow. Very nice. Ice maker. Instructions for your manual and stuff. All kinds of stuff like that. I love it. And then I love this. I love the thing, all kind of stuff. Put stickers on it. Next I need to just take that off later. So yeah, so we can't put it on until 9 or 10 also. Got a nice display here. It got your timer and your fin. Got a cube, crushed water, inverter compressor. So that's ICA, that's holiday, and that's alarm. Main set alarm, child lock. Goes free, that's ice off. Non-plumb water. That's that. In here we have more ones from these things. It's like yourself. Then you have your label on it. You have the label just like that, and your instructions. Then take these out. So that's the thing. That I'm not gonna put it on yet. So 9 PM from 10 PM. Just gonna take these labels. Just gonna take these out first, and then we'll put it in the bin straight away. I love this bitch. It's brand new. I think I loved it. I love this so much. Love this so much. Got nice There here. Gonna take that out. Very nice. Got your instruction right there. Just gonna zoom it in. Caution: when the water needs to be refilled, please pull out the water tank and instead it correctly to avoid the operation and malfunction. The suggested water volume is not more than 4.5. Okay. I loved it. And that's the label on it. There you go. So that's the label on it. So you can see. Your serial number is RS694N4TCF. So that's the refrigerator freezer. That's multi airflow. More stickers. Love it. Then I'm just gonna take these off. That's a sticker. Just gonna take these off. This is so hard to get it off. Very hard to get it off. There you go. Just gonna take those out. That's one done. That's one done. Gonna take those off. I love this veg. I love it. Cool. I love it. I love it. Very nice. With multi airflow. I love it. Just gonna check some inside. Very nice. With some ice crusher in it. So you can see. Just gonna see. Oh, I can see that's an ice maker. Or like holidays, like fizzy drinks, something like that. Fizzy drinks. Love it. I love it so much. And then you have your ice in there. You can just take some in it. I love it. Just gonna show around the back. That's the TJ1T. Just gonna show around the back of it. Okay, so that's the all laid by the back. So that's that more labels on it. That's the it says that's all the instructions at the back, I guess. And you have your plug for main sleeve right there, main sleeve. That's nice. We'll just plug it in this. So that's your plug down there. When you just plug in like that. There you go. Love it. I've got to check inside. Okay, so that's the thing. Well, that being said, that's the cover on it, and that's the cover. Just gonna show around the panels. This is great. This is very nice. More stickers. Very good. Just going to quick look at the reveal. It's just nice. It says better technology on the top. It's going to show on the top. So it's still happening. Very nice. That inverter compressor, I'm just going to put it on like 9 or 10 or so. So just going to show you around the hot point fridge now and see what we got here. Okay, so that's our first. This was bought from June 2017, I guess. That's old fridge. Is a hot point fridge, I guess. Which has, and it's gonna make this bang. Oops. This wood. That's old fridge. So that's going to be replaced, I guess, by this refrigerator. So I think we bought it like 5 years ago, since like 5 years later, because I think we bought it like 5 years, and we bought this old Hotpoint graphite fridge like almost 14 years, and it's still going strong. Let's just kind of look aside. Just have no turbo safety in it, so anything works fine. That's all point label, that's the label, that's the serial number. So, and that's been needs cleaning out, because everything needs to be cleaned out as possible, because it looks dirty or mucky. Okay, so that's your number. So that's been right there on the top. 10 zipper and off button. I was selected for 5 because the fish went off like a couple of weeks ago. That's the label on it as well. Just gonna look inside down this pieces. Yeah, that's the bearing. Just gonna show around the back. Just gonna show around the back. As you can see, you have a heater all the way there, which is nice. I love it. And that's your hose, like that. That's your label on it. Serial number is XEX95T on it, because may be working. Alright, this is brought to from the Tesla Center. Just gonna move it back into position. Just gonna move it back into position, I guess. Okay. Just gonna show it back underneath it again. Okay. Okay, so that's new fish done. So we just quick look inside. So that's the conclusion there. This fridge is working. Just gonna look in there. That's the conclusion of the fridge. Got ice pack in there for your ice in there. And then put your base in there. Like it says, it's the thing. It's right there. That's your ice confusion. Very nice. how to remove and reinstall, the ice bucket. This is so hard to get it off. Same, reinstall and remove. I love this. Open this door. This has been on here, so yeah, hopefully. Very nice. Love it. So that's the thing right there. Water tank. This is Bentley. Let's get it off. Love it. Oh, stick on myself. It's gonna burn me in a minute. All these stickers and just be coming off. All the stickers on these be coming off. It's so hard. It's so hard to get it off. Very hard to get it off. Very hard. There you go. Let's go. Very nice. There you go. This can make me all that stuff having on. One down there. And one down there. There you go. That's gonna. All stickers. That off. So I'll get it off here. There you go. That's one down there. That's done. Next one. Mess all that fillings off and burn a bit for us. gonna take those out. As this is gonna be installed back in wrench hole. Got one in. That's one in. It's gonna so many stickers. Just gonna take that off. And that whole bunch of tens off so you can see. That's your fin. And just gonna check. See if we have any more stickers this bit and take it off. There you go. Gonna take that out. This is how to get it off. One off. One off. Just gonna check. There's no stickers on. Good, looking good, looking good. Good. Checking on top. Sick. So good. Looking good. No, that's looking good. So this one off. That's good. Just gonna pause the camera. Just gonna take that out. Just gonna check there are no stickers on. Got one there. Just no need to take that off by using the finger. One off. There we go. That's stickers off. Just gonna make sure there's no stickers on the front or the back. Just gonna check them and make them the stickers on the back. There's one there. There's all 5 socks on the main switch. All stickers. Okay. Just gonna check there's no stickers there. One there. I need to just take it off. And just put it back in this place. Sticky. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so sticky in here, you know? Very sticky. There we go. Then there's stickers on, so I'm gonna just love it. Just gonna check the stickers on. The companion. Other V needs to need water. Please wait for 10 seconds to get the first water supply. Only fill the water into the tank. Soda, juice, milk, alcohol, etc., etc., etc. are not allowed. Very nice. Sorry, last time that's gonna smell out. Got your cubed crushed water. Got your inverter compressor. Econom fun number 3. Typical 3. Rich. Super freeze 3. And alarm. So this is her whole 3 seconds. It's just like 3 seconds to use it. I love it. I loved it. And I love it first. Just have 3 your bottles in it. Like water, drinks, and juice, all kinds of stuff like that. I love it. I love it very much. Love it. No sticks on. And wrapping. This is cool. Just gonna quickly video. Okay, so that's a view of the fridge. It's a Hisense fridge, refrigerator, which is now here. I love this fridge, and it's kind of brand new. I love it. Just have the back of the label on it, and you have your fin right there for your ice, cold drinks for a holiday, kind of stuff, such as maybe ice creams, all kinds of stuff like that. Maybe I love it. So it just had a tier 1 on there, but I think I kind of like it. So okay, cool. That's it. Thanks a lot. See you later.